The study to be presented is about the life satisfaction of research methodology one students in the past, the present, and the future. Life satisfaction is defined as a global assessment of a person's quality of life according to his chosen criteria. The life satisfaction of a person is dependent on the circumstances he or she is facing and comparing it to what is known as the appropriate standard. Each of the characteristics that make one's life satisfied is solely dependent on what the person believes and values. The study aims to determine which group of students of Research Methodology 1 in the school year 2016 to 2017 in the College of Rehabilitation Sciences can say that they are satisfied with their life at the present time, in the past, and in their future. Cross-sectional is defined as a type of design that involves analysis of collected data from a certain population at a specific point in time. The group chose this specific design to be used for this study because the group aimed to determine the proportion of CRS Research Methodology 1 students' life satisfaction at a given point in time. The participants of this study included different courses of the College of Rehabilitation Sciences, which are occupational therapy, physical therapy, sports science, and speech-language pathology. All participants are taking Research Methodology 1 for the school year 2016 to 2017. There are a total of 78 students in occupational therapy, 107 for physical therapy, 37 for sports science, and 34 for speech-language pathology. The data that was gathered came from the College of Rehabilitation Science of the University of Santo Tomas, and it was gathered through the use of a survey called the Temporal Satisfaction with Life Scale. The data was analyzed through the use of quantitative data analysis. This is done through the interpretation of figures and numbers and finding the rationality between them. Table number 1 compares the life satisfaction of OT, PT, SLP, and SPS students in the past. The responses were gathered from items number 1 to 5 of the temporal satisfaction with life scale. Based on the computed data, a higher percentage of SLP students responded as having a more satisfactory life in the past with 48.12% respondents, followed by SPS with 46.47%, OT with 46.15%, and PT with 44.27%. Figure number 2 compares the life satisfaction of OT, PT, SLP, and SPS students in the present. The responses were gathered from items number 6 to 10 of the temporal satisfaction with life scale. Based on the computed data, a higher percentage of OT students responded as having a more satisfactory life in the present with 68.46% respondents, followed by SLP with 67.57%, PT with 66.83%, and SPS with 66.47%. Figure number 3 compares the life satisfaction of OT, PT, SLP, and SPS students in the future. The responses were gathered from items number 11 to 15 of the temporal satisfaction with life scale. Based on the computed data, a higher percentage of PT students responded as having a more satisfactory life in the future with 73.16%, followed by SLP with 72.97%, SPS with 72.94%, and OT with 71.79%. In conclusion, SLP, OT, and PT responded as having a more satisfactory life in the past, present, and future respectively. Based on the results, it can also be deduced that more students agree that they are satisfied with life given the different time frames than those who disagree and are unsure. This can be due to a whole lot of different factors that can affect one's evaluation of life as a whole. All courses responded as having more life satisfaction in the future. This can be caused by several different factors that are personal to the student who answered the survey. Here shows a table of the percentage of students who are satisfied in the past, present, and future. As was mentioned, the present percentage is higher than the past, and the future percentage shown is higher than the present data. Majority of the students showed greater satisfaction for the future. It can be due to the fact that as students grow older and experience more in life, they appreciate and are more satisfied. Since life satisfaction is dependent on each person, it is possible that majority of them who answer the survey find their life more satisfying as they encounter, learn, and experience more. As these students learn further, more life's lessons can help them correct their mistakes in the past, leading to a better and more satisfying future. This survey is also a good indicator that students, despite the workload and stress, still have a positive outlook in life and are more helpful for the future.